Top 5 Best Programmable Robot Arms. Number 5. LewanSoul Robotic Arm with Arduino 5DOF Axis. The LewanSoul Mini Arm is what happens when curiosity gets metal bones and a nervous system. Built on the Atmega 328 platform and fully compatible with Arduino, it doesn't just move, it teaches. The open source programs and detailed tutorials remove the mystery from robotics. This is not a sealed box, it's an invitation. 5 degrees of freedom give the arm real personality. High precision digital servos, a 6-channel knob controller, Bluetooth support. The hardware feels serious, not decorative. Manual knob control makes it approachable. App control and offline action editing push it further. Expansion ports welcome sensors like ESP32 cam, accelerometers, ultrasonic modules. It grows with the imagination behind it. Assembly is manageable, control is intuitive. Even simple movements spark attention, especially in young minds discovering how machines think and move. For classrooms, STEM programs, or hobbyists testing their engineering instincts, it strikes a rare balance: affordable, well-built, and endlessly customizable. This is not just a robotic arm, it's a small laboratory for creativity, waiting on a desk. Coming in number 4. ACEBOTT Robotics for kids ages 8 to 12. ACEBOTT Robotics Kit is not a toy pretending to be smart. It's a real machine waiting to be built. At the center is a 5DOF programmable robotic arm powered by an ESP32 controller, the same kind of brain that makes serious projects possible. Kids don't just snap parts together. They build circuits, control movement, and learn why things work. 16 guided tutorials and HD assembly videos do more than instruct, they teach. Uniform screws and clear steps make the build friendly for beginners, but the lessons go deeper. Mechanics, coding, logic. This is the difference between copying and understanding. Dual control through IR remote or mobile app keeps it. The 360 degrees mecanum wheels allow drifting, diagonal slides, tight turns, movement that feels almost alive. It grabs, navigates, it thinks because someone told it how, and it grows. Add-ons like cameras, and solar panels push it into more advanced territory. Today, it's a STEM kit. Tomorrow, it's a foundation for engineering confidence. For families serious about curiosity, this isn't expensive. It's an investment in the kind of knowledge that lasts. Coming in number 3, Waveshare Robotic Arm Kit. The Waveshare Ro Arm M2S doesn't behave like a toy. It behaves like a machine that expects respect. Out of the box, it connects over Wi-Fi in minutes through a clean web interface. No drama, just power it up and start moving. The ESP32 controller supports multiple wireless modes, ROS2 compatibility, and open source control code. For builders, that's oxygen. The 4DOF design sits on a 360-degree omnidirectional base, creating a wide 1-meter workspace. It moves fast, it moves strong. With a 0.5 kilograms payload at half a meter and under 850 grams total weight, it balances power and flexibility well. Lifting a weighted desk lamp or a controller at full extension doesn't feel like a stretch. It's expandable too. The end effector mount invites custom tools, extra axes, cameras, additional servos. Secondary development isn't an afterthought. It's the point. The phone app works, though touch control can feel sensitive. For precision, deeper programming unlocks its real potential. External power is recommended. This arm means business. For serious hobbyists, college robotics projects, or ambitious builds, this is impressive hardware at a surprisingly grounded price. Coming in number 2, LewanSoul Robotic Arm for Arduino. The LewanSoul X-Arm 1S feels less like a kit and more like a small engineering lab waiting on a desk. Built from anodized aluminum alloy and reinforced with industrial-grade bearings, it has the stability of something far more expensive. 6 intelligent serial bus servos deliver up to 500 grams of payload with position, voltage, and temperature feedback. Absolute positioning means no drift, no guesswork, just precise, repeatable motion down to fractions of a degree. Assembly is detailed but manageable. Parts are organized, fit is clean, and the bus wiring keeps the electronics surprisingly tidy. Graphic tutorials and videos guide the process, even when documentation leaves small gaps. Control options are generous: PC software, phone app, mouse, wireless PS2 controller. Action groups allow custom sequences to be recorded, edited, and replayed with smooth synchronization. It can run standalone or integrate with Arduino for deeper development. Movements are consistent, surprisingly accurate, and strong for its size. It can pick, place, pour, and experiment without losing composure. For anyone curious about robotics, automation, or precise motion control, this arm doesn't just demonstrate concepts, it embodies them. Coming in number 1, LewanSoul Robotic Arm Kit, 6DOF Programming. LewanSoul LeArm 6DOF is built like it plans to stay on the desk for years. The first thing noticed is the weight. A heavy metal base, large industrial bearing, and solid brackets give it real stability. 6 high-quality digital servos power smooth, confident movement, capable of lifting close to a pound depending on position. At the wrist, 3 anti-stall servos with gear clutches protect the system and extend lifespan, a small detail that speaks loudly about durability. Assembly takes a few hours. The machining and anodizing are clean, almost elegant. Sorting the tiny metric screws helps. Video tutorials guide the process clearly, even if a written manual would be welcome. Control is flexible: PC software, app, mouse, and wireless handle. Programming is straightforward with standard PWM signals, making it friendly for Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and classroom experiments. Bluetooth app control works smoothly, and the included controller board supports wireless operation. This is not fragile hobby gear. It's a sturdy, well-engineered platform for students, university labs, and serious experimenters who want a robot arm that keeps up with their curiosity.